Alright, welcome back guys. Today we're gonna install a 4-bar map sensor so we can run higher boost and everything. Even though it's a small turbo, it probably won't make like a lot of boost, so this is just, so we don't have to upgrade later. We got the 4-bar at our local parts store, 1320, for like 60 something bucks, so it's pretty cheap. So I said fuck it, most 4 bars are like $100 or so. But yeah, let's get started. Just gotta unplug the old map sensor and then swap it out. And after that, I'm gonna go to the S manager and change all the settings and all so it runs correctly. But yeah, let's get started. Map sensor right here, only good for like 10 pounds, kind of shitty, but it's good if you're in stock like me. Here's the 4-bar right here. Hold on, put that in real quick and then go tune it, and yeah, have a nice time. The settings on here that they provided with us, so it's not like a piece of eBay junk where they give you just a fucking box and a part and tell you have fun, good luck. But let's go to the computer side now, inside the car, and get everything set up. Yeah, it's too bright for the camera to see. Alright, well, you can probably see it better right here. All the settings and stuff, I changed it. Gotta drive it around and like test these settings, see which one really is good with the motor we have right now. I'm probably going to data log it too, because since we're running more boost, we might run a little bit leaner. Most likely because, more boost means more air and less, not enough fuel to compensate for the air being put in. So yeah, we'll cut to the clips of us driving it around. And yep, see how that goes.